Lolo, happy birthday sa'yo, Lolo. At happy Father's Day po. God bless you. Ingat ka palagi.
Happy birthday, Lolo! We love you!
Happy 17th birthday, Lolo. Wishing you all the best and stay safe and stay healthy. We love you.
Happy birthday. Hindi ako accidental eh. Pero ba't di makain? Hindi ko qualified. Happy birthday. Happy 7th birthday. God bless. Thank you sa walang sawang pagmamahal, ha? Ayad lang. Puro panukanduay. Wala siyang case ng eagle. Ano eh. May danmuran. Happy birthday. Enjoy. Love you.
Happy birthday, Papa! From your pinakamagandang anak.
Happy Father's Day, Papa, and happy birthday. God bless you always. Enjoy your special day. Ingat kayo palagi ni Mama niya.
Video dito ah. Bakit may video dito? Uy. Baka. Ay, kaya pala. Sige. Kaya pala may video. Hi! Batiin ko nga pala ng happy birthday ang tatay ko na nasa Libertad Antique. Intro Weste. Maligayang kaarawan ang iyong ika-70 taong kaarawan ngayong araw na ito. Sana maging malusog ka pa, umaba pa ang iyong buhay. Siyempre, malalasing ka na naman dahil meron kang lapad. So, happy birthday at enjoy your birthday. At ingat ka palagi, ha? Tingnan mo, dami ng sombrero. Ingat!
Kita ko birthday mo raw. Greetings! Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate kami ng birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ha, at you make sure na mag-ingat ka, so you stay safe, wash your hands lagi, kumanta ng happy birthday 2 times, and then yun na.